You searched how to buy shares of Reece Limited. Reece is an Australian supplier of plumbing and HVAC products listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker REH.ASX. This clip is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker REH.ASX to find the listing. Choose the result that clearly shows Reece Limited to ensure you have the correct stock. On the Reece Limited page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the share. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm this is the right asset. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.